Listen up, you donkey. You want to impress your guests? Then stop serving those pathetic, soggy sandwiches and listen to me. We're about to elevate your party game with exquisite canapés and sandwiches that will have your guests begging for more. I'm going to show you how to create a culinary masterpiece that's worthy of a Michelin-starred restaurant. Get ready to transform your next gathering into a gourmet extravaganza. We're starting strong with mini quiches. These little beauties are perfect for any party. Use mini muffin tins for perfect portions and get creative with your fillings. Spinach and feta, mushroom and gruyere, or ham and cheese. The possibilities are endless. Ooh. Next up, tartines. They're simple, elegant, and bursting with flavor. Toast sourdough bread and top it with gourmet ingredients. Think smoked salmon and cream cheese, prosciutto and fig, or roasted vegetables and goat cheese. Want to add some drama to your spread? Savory cones are the answer. Use phyllo dough or wonton wrappers and fill them with savory mixtures. Crab salad, whipped goat cheese with herbs, or spicy chicken. Let your imagination run wild. Crostini are a classic for a reason. Toasted baguette slices provide the perfect base for a symphony of flavors. Ricotta with honey and walnuts, blue cheese with fig jam and arugula, or tapenade with sun-dried tomatoes. Every bite is a revelation. Don't think for a minute that deviled eggs are boring. These little devils can pack a punch. Offer a variety of toppings like crispy bacon, fresh chives, or smoked paprika for an explosion of flavor. Cheese and fruit are a match made in culinary heaven. Skewer small pieces of cheese with complementary fruits for a delightful sweet and savory combination. Brie with apple slices, Gouda with grapes, or cheddar with pears. The possibilities are endless. Layered wraps are a feast for the eyes and the palate. Use large tortillas or flatbreads and create wraps with multiple layers of fillings. Smoked salmon, avocado and cream cheese, grilled chicken, pesto and mozzarella. The combinations are endless. Transport your guests to the Mediterranean with sandwiches bursting with fresh flavors. Pita bread is your canvas for creations like hummus, feta and olives, grilled lamb with tzatziki sauce, or falafel with tahini dressing. Don't underestimate the power of a good slaw. Add a fresh, crunchy slaw to your sandwiches for added texture and flavor. Think creamy coleslaw, tangy apple slaw, or vibrant Asian slaw. It's a game changer. Grilled vegetables are the star of these hearty vegetarian sandwiches. Grill your favorite vegetables, zucchini, peppers, eggplant, and layer them with fresh mozzarella and pesto for a symphony of flavors. Bagels are a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Fill them with combinations like cream cheese, smoked salmon, capers, and red onion, or pastrami with mustard and pickles. It's a New York classic that never disappoints. Take your taste buds on a global adventure with sandwiches inspired by international cuisines. Banh mi with pickled vegetables and sriracha mayo, chicken shawarma with hummus and tahini, or Korean bulgogi with kimchi. The possibilities are endless. Don't just throw your canapés and sandwiches on a plate. Arrange them according to themes for a visually appealing spread. Think colors, textures, and heights. It's all about creating a culinary masterpiece. Use multi-tiered trays to display a variety of items for an eye-catching presentation. It adds height and drama to your spread, making it look even more tempting and irresistible. Don't leave your guests guessing. Create labels to identify each type of canapé or sandwich, noting key ingredients. It's a simple touch that adds a professional touch and helps guests navigate your culinary creations. Want to encourage interaction and customization? Set up boards for guests to build their own canapés or sandwiches with a variety of ingredients. It's a fun and engaging way to let your guests create their own culinary masterpieces. Don't forget the essentials. Provide small plates, napkins, and utensils for guest convenience. These little details make a big difference in the overall dining experience. Lighting is everything. Use elegant lighting like candles or fairy lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It sets the mood for a memorable culinary experience. Well, there you have it, you numpties. You've now got the tools to create a canapé and sandwich spread that's worthy of a Michelin star. Now get out there and impress your guests with your newfound culinary prowess. Remember, cooking is about passion, precision, and a whole lot of flavor. So don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and make your next gathering truly unforgettable. And don't forget to subscribe for more gourmet guides. I'll be back with more culinary wisdom soon.